Hello, sports fans. Mauricio here. So here's a quick look at Power BI. So this is my messy desktop, but I'm going to go ahead and give you a little intro to Power BI. Well, this is what you get, and with this version we currently have, and then get data, database. I'll go to my SQL Server, and you go to yours. Currently CB hyphen letter OT hyphen devst06.ad.wsu.edu. I'm using my database. You use yours. Hit OK. And I'm doing this just to show that we should get the same answers from a group by query as you would get in a column chart. So here we're going to just pick the table. You can see I've got a boatload of tables here. So I'm going to pull the sales details. Now it would be nice to join or connect to customers or products or categories and then be able to use those dimensions from the customers or products or categories, but not yet. So we're just going to make whatever we can using the dimensions in the sales details table. By the way, if you wanted to monkey with the data a little bit, then you would click transform there, but I'm just going to hit load. All right, so this is what you get. There's the table, there's the columns. Just to show, we do have ability to see our table, and we could see our data too if we wanted to, but the charts go up here. And let me just go ahead and make a column chart, although I do believe we have to do a little work first. Let's see if this works. So we are going to day name. We need to sort that by day number. Look at this icon up here. Sort one column by another. Good. Day name. Sort by day of week number. Great. And month name. Sort that by month number. All right. So now if we go back to our chart and the x-axis is across the page, we can put day name, and let's say we're just going to total up the units. Dun, 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 dun. So those should be the same numbers, and I guess we can go in and put on the y-axis. Oh no, just turn on data labels. Yeah, there we go. And then the data labels, we can make them a little bigger. All right, so those numbers should be the same as what you get out of a group by query. And if I wanted to duplicate that, so then so that would be units by day of week. I use long labels, but then there's no confusion or vagueness. And so this second one, let's change that from day name to month name. And see, that's sorted very nicely. And I mean, we probably would want to take our X and Y axis and make those a little bit larger. Now we can see what we're doing. And maybe we would want to do some sorting, but enough for one day. So you can just see that the numbers should be the same. So I would want you to go check that. It's such a short video. Let's add a little more. So this, let's see, this would be, Oh well. So this is renamed, so that's unit by, well, I guess I could copy that. So that would be units by month. I edited the wrong one. Rename, Control V, lovely. We'll make a new guy here. And how about a line chart? So so we don't, I don't know why it's got this going on, but we'll just forget it. So how about a line chart? And a line chart might be good for day of month. Now that's coming in as a number, so it thinks you want to total it up. But again, let's go ahead and put units on the y-axis, and there you go. Now, if I had category over here, that would be lovely to see. Do all the categories sell more on the 20th to 25th? But by the way, you use a line chart only for date time. I don't know if that's my rule or I got that somewhere, but a line chart where you're comparing groups such as first grader, second grader, third grader, that's not really good or common. Over time is a line graph. So how about day? So how about day of month? So that's we're still messing with units by day of month. So the by is the grouping mechanism. So let's see what else we can do. Oh, one of my favorites is a stacked column chart. So, let's see what trouble we can get ourselves into. So what if I put on the x-axis product name and units on the y-axis? Then we're going to have way too many. So we really do need to filter this. So here's a little filtering. You could just pick some products here, but we could also do the top 10. So top N, top 10. I guess you would want to do the bottom 10 too. Does it have yeah, okay, so it's bottom 10 too. So that's pretty nice. And apply filter. Oh, I forgot this field. So add data values here. So okay, so we're going to do it by units. So drag units in there. Okay, apply filter. That was a little hard. But we can do the top 10 by sum of units. I'm sure you could do an average or different things there. So that's pretty good. And now we might want to put on the, so stacked column chart, so we don't need this anymore. A stacked column chart, you might put the customer in there. See if that tells us anything. So customer 2 is buying a lot of red hats and etc., etc. And customer 2002 is buying a lot of soap and orange shirts. So that's a second dimension. So dimension 1 is product name, top 10 there. And dimension 2 can be brought in by putting that on a stacked column chart. Now, once you have more dimensions, then you could put more things on the legend. So this is a little bit more useful. So in May, we sell a lot of soap, menthol soap. So that's kind of interesting. And we're getting to August as of this recording. So looks like orange is pretty popular in August. So there's a column chart, line chart, stacked column chart. What else can we do quickly? So let's give this a name. So top 10 products I guess not really by month, but we can see by month. Could you make this a little bit different? Yeah, but I'm not gonna. But you could do the months across the x-axis and something else. I'll leave that to your merriment. Just one more time, folks. You don't really learn much by watching me. You got to do yourself. You can't learn much by watching me play guitar. You got to pause the video and you play guitar. It takes too long to become masterful. Well, you can't learn everything in 8 weeks here or 16 weeks. So use these skills throughout your career. One more. How about a globe? So we do have a map here. But we don't have the customers' data. Oh, darn. Now, online here, we can edit the query inside our Power BI. We could edit our query and go get get some more data. So let's see. So I can get more data. If I can go to recent sources, you might have to go back to a new source to get back to your login, but we can go recent sources here and bring in the customer data. Import that data and close and apply. And we should see another table of data here. Okay. So customers does have state within it. So I can use state for location. I could still use units for bubble size. And we can draw a chart. You could put something on the legend. I don't really have anything. We can use city instead of state. Interesting what this is. Moscow. Oh. I was thinking Moscow, Idaho. But good job, Pullman and Seattle. And so there's a map. And we would have to recode this Moscow, so that's kind of funny. But there's your intro to Power BI. Take care.